Hi guys, I've painted up the wooden footbridge. Let's go and have a little watch of me doing it. I'm painting it, so it'll be interesting, like when I did the station box. See if you are happy to see this sort of thing. For me it was enjoyable, it took some time, longer than I thought it would, because of all the little slats and everything. It just took so long just doing all the ins and outs and whatever, but I enjoyed myself all the same. But anyway, have a watch of the video and I'll see you afterwards. Bye. Right, we're up in the loft and it is placed in position. I've got a little guy on there. I'll do a bit of footage of it all up close for you to see. And I'm happy with it. If I did it again, I would primer with my grey Halfords primer, whereas I used my white before. And the white didn't soak in like it did on the platform. Whereas the grey, when it soaked into it, it sealed the layer, whereas the white didn't. But it's my choice to use these wooden kits, and I have a big engine shed to paint up as well. So I'm going to use the grey for that. But there's a lot of brickwork to do. So I'll see, maybe I'll make some bold decisions to make out that we painted the brick in the stone colours of the Great Western Railway. But I enjoyed doing this. Again, I think I'd continue with the wooden kits. They're kind of fun because you can glue them together with wood glue. I'll run an engine through. I've got a King set up with 8 coaches. Just bring him through. Just a bit of an express line. This obviously is just a branch line, so he won't be stopping for this one, but everyone will be watching as this mighty King passes through. This is the King James I. My middle name is James, you see, so I wanted to get that one. And off it comes through. But anyway, I'm really pleased to have this coming together. I'm looking forward to showing you one thing. For the 009 incline, I just went with it and got myself the wooden scenic sets. Went over to the railway conductor again today, picked it up, and looking forward to doing that, but that'll be for the next video. Anyway, see you next time. This noisy thing's got a squeaky wheel in some of the coaches. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment. Again, as I said last time, it's really nice talking to you all about the railways and the things that I'm doing. Gives me motivation to do more. But have a good day. See ya.